Yes, Mr. Tiwari.
My lord, my grievance is that I am the owner of a plot, my lord. Plot number 4462. My lord, there are registered sale deeds of this plot, my lord, of last 30 years on record. I purchased this plot, my lord, by annexure P1, so sale deed, my lord, of the year 2022, my lord.
इसमें नोट कॉपी की रिप्लाई आ गया क्या?
My lord, on the previous date, this honorable court directed them
हाँ.
to seek instructions whether any construction is being carried out by IDA there or not. But what has happened? It is my plot. I have got the building permission. I have got the.
क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन है आपके पास?
Advance notice.
अरे तो इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ आए हैं कि नहीं?
नहीं.
क्यों? उसके लिए अलग से इंस्ट्रक्शन देना पड़ेगा आपको.
थोड़ा समय चाहिए. रिप्लाई करिए.
तो बोलना चाहिए ना कोर्ट में कि पहले हम इनको 10 मिनट सुन ले, फिर आप बोलेंगे कि समय टाइम दे दीजिए.
It's a dispute of title, man.
अरे कुछ भी हो, आपको पहले ही बोलना चाहिए ना कि हमको टाइम चाहिए इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ. तो आज क्यों नहीं लेके आया है? वो क्या?
पहली फाइल कर रहा है.
ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप काम क्यों होता है कि पहले एक बार वकालतनामा फाइल होगा, फिर एक बार में क्यों नहीं सारे काम होते? कहाँ मिस्टर पाठक? आप उन्हीं के ऑफिस से हैं? आप हैं पैनल में? कितने साल की प्रैक्टिस? 3 years. तो पहली डेट पे आया तो इंस्ट्रक्शन लेके आया करिए. ऐसा 2 बार में नहीं होता. एक बार वकालतनामा पेश करेंगे, फिर हम टाइम लेंगे. आपको कॉपी दी है, ऑर्डर शीट आप पढ़ लीजिए क्या लिखा है इसमें. तो आज आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ आना चाहिए था.
इंस्ट्रक्शन ये है मतलब कि टीएनसी में जो नक्शा दिखा रहा है उसमें आईडीए का प्लॉट शो हो रहा है.
कहाँ है डॉक्यूमेंट?
जी
ऑफिस में रखें. टू फाइल योर रिप्लाई. क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा?
लॉर्ड, ये बाउंड्री वॉल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं वहाँ. एंड ऑन द प्रीवियस डेट दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट डायरेक्टेड देम, लॉर्ड, a verbal direction was given to inform the officers not to carry out further construction. Mr. Kaustup Pathak had appeared, my lord, and this direction was given.
They are constructing
boundary wall. मैंने photographs लगाए, my lord.
सिविल सूट में जाइए ना.
Lord,
जो बाउंड्री डिस्प्यूट तो वही डिसाइड होता है. इंजंक्शन क्यों नहीं लेते आप लोग सिविल सूट में? Why writ petition in every matter?
I'll submit, my lord. Once they come up, my lord, with a defense or anything that this is their claim over the property, then, my lord, there might be.
They are bound to come.
They may, my lord. But today, what is happening, my lord?
It is all 26(9) apply करिए, ट्रायल कोर्ट में जाइए. It's all disputed कि आपकी लैंड है कि इनकी है, डिमार्केशन होना, ये होना.
Yes.
ये यहाँ कोई एडमिटेड फैक्ट्स नहीं है जो इसको हम डिसाइड करेंगे.
My lord, for that they must come before this honorable court and demonstrate.
Why should entertain up to that stage even?
Because I'll submit, my lord. Because as of now, in
no, it's a purely a property dispute. You file a civil suit to get an injunction there.
No, my lord, may kindly hear me out then. My lord, my lord, may kindly see annexure P1.
Yes.
My lord, this is a sale deed dated 1st of September 2022. My lord. By this sale deed, my lord, I had purchased the property from Mr. Gopal Das Bansal, my lord.
ठीक है.
No, my lord, this sale deed has never been challenged by anyone, my lord.
Can this record give a finding that they are raising construction on your land? On what basis court can give this?
My lord, for that they need to come before this court and respond that it's their land. How can it be assumed that they will say this, my lord? What my learned friend is submitting?
They can say before that civil court also.
But my lord, अगर ऐसा है तो then this is an arbitrary act totally. कि ये 30 सालों से जिसकी सेल डीड है मेरे पास में, जिसके ऊपर बिल्डिंग परमिशन है, जिसका प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स मैं भर रहा हूँ, जो प्लॉट एक खाली है, उस पर जाके आईडीए ऐसे ही जाके they'll start constructing boundary wall. So then this is what would this be called, my lord? If it was a private person, of course I could have gone to the civil court. But they are a statutory body.
They are also amenable to civil court.
So they are also amenable to the jurisdiction of this honorable court. Under Article 226, their arbitrariness can be checked by this honorable court. Otherwise, this is misuse of their power, my lord. My lord, मैं kindly peruse page number 20, my lord. ये मेरे सेल डीड के साथ में जो फोटोग्राफ है, इस फोटोग्राफ के अंदर also it is an open plot. ये recent सेल डीड है, my lord. Then, my lord, my second sale deed, the previous sale deed is annexure P2. This sale deed is in the favor of the previous owner, my lord. That is of the year 1995, my lord. This is also, and this mentions that the society had sold the property to him, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, kindly peruse annexure P3. This annexure P3 is the building permission of 2022 granted in my favor, my lord, of the same plot, my lord. Then, my lord, my kindly peruse annexure P4. This is the property tax receipt, my lord, that I am paying the property tax of this property, my lord. And then, my lord, may kindly peruse annexure P5. Now, one fine day, my lord, It is not the case, my lord, that this is a plot of their scheme. आसपास सारे constructions हो चुके हैं. A standalone plot has neither been auctioned by them to anyone nor been sold since last 30 years. It is highly prima facie unbelievable, my lord. अगर ये किसी scheme का part होता, it would have been auctioned by now. And it's in the heart of the city, my lord, in Pipliahana. So to say that this is a part of their scheme lying vacant since last 30 years is prima facie unbelievable, my lord.
Where they have said so?
They are saying that this is a part of
Where
TNC IDA. Abhi, the verbal submission which has been made by my learned friend, my lord. So at least prima facie case, my lord, may kindly see, my lord. So many documents I am producing before this honorable court, my lord. And in your lordship had called the CEO of IDA in another case, my lord, in which since last 25 years, they had kept the matter pending of execution of lease deed because they assumed that that plot was under in some other scheme of IDA. And later on, after 25 years, they have learned that no, they were wrong. So your lordship had ordered that the CEO should remain present in person. This is how they conduct their business, my lord. I may be relegated to the civil court even, my lord, I bow down to your lordship's observation. But at least let them come up and show some document. What if they fail to show any document, my lord? Then it is a pure case of arbitrariness and misuse of authority, my lord. And then why not, my lord? Why can't I avail the 226 jurisdiction of this honorable court, my lord? Let them come up and say that this is our property because based on this document. Merely on the basis of their oral submissions of the officers, my lord, this can't be presumed, my lord. This would be a presumption.
It's a simple case on their so and so that this party tried to encroach my land. That is the date of cause of action for filing a civil suit.
My lord, so
Even irrespective of the fact that whether defendant is a private party or a government body or a local body. It's a simple case of injunction. They be injured from entering my property.
absolutely, my lord.
Why we should burden ourselves with all these litigation for with the 40 civil judges are there to
my
decide.
lord, kindly consider the burden of the common man, my lord. If I can't come to this honorable
Court is
court,
there. We are not closing the door for court.
so my lord, the civil suit, your lordship is well aware that civil suit is not an easy solution, my lord. It would take years altogether, my lord. And
Injunction can be considered on the same day on application 39(3).
my lord,
Same day injunction can be
my
considered.
lord, kindly appreciate. What if they don't have anything, my lord? And what if it's just a mistake of theirs, which they often do, my lord? Then why should I be relegated to the civil court, my lord? That is my humble submission, my lord. Kindly consider, kindly appreciate that, my lord. Let them file a reply, my lord. Let them show that this is their case. Otherwise, my lord, often it happens, my lord, that they miscalculate, they are misinformed, my lord. So, and it is not the case that I don't have any document, my lord. Since last 30 years, I have sale deeds. I have the building permission. I have the photographs.
You have a very good case, prima facie. Question is, which court is to be sued?
My lord, if they come up with a case that it is a disputed question of fact, then I am obviously out of this court.
ठीक है, I will consider.